Mike 6, Echo Golf Juliet calling. Sierra Mike 6, Echo Golf Juliet calling CQ1, standing by.
India Zulu 2, Kilo Romeo Zulu, QRP portable.
Bravo Juliet, go Michael Alpha 7, go Papa Echo 1, Delta Mike Hotel.
Some QRP station again.
Italy Zulu 2, Kilo Romeo Zulu, QRP portable. Italy Zanzibar 2, Kilo Romeo Zulu, QRP portable. Roger.
Roger, Ida Zulu 2, Kilo Radio Zulu, Sugar Mike 6, Echo Golf Juliet, returning. Very good morning, thank you for the call. You have nice signal here, you are 5 at 9, and the name here is Dan, Denmark, America, Norway. Located in the southern part of Sweden. So Mike, back to you, Sugar Mike 6, Echo Golf Juliet, standing by.
USL, then thank you very much to reply me. Sierra Mike 6, Echo Golf Juliet, India Zulu 2, Kilo Romeo Zulu returning. Good morning to you, my friend. You are 5 by 9, 20, 30 dB over the 9 in this moment on my antenna. Okay, I'm running 5 watt in this moment. My antenna is a Delta Loop single element. Delta Loop single element. My transceiver is Yesu Fox Tango 817. My name is Gil and I'm located in the northern part of Italy in the Bergamo province. Back to you, Sierra Mike 6, Echo Golf Juliet, India Zulu 2, Kilo Romeo Zulu, over.
Okay, Gil, IZ2, Kilo Radio Zulu, SM6CG, returning, fine, Gil in Bergamo. Thank you very much for the nice report from your side, Gil. You are 5 at 9 here, incredible strong signal here with your 5 watts and 1 element Delta Loop antenna, doing a really nice job. Your antenna must be turned in my direction, I suppose, because you are so strong, Gil. Okay, Gil, about my QTH here is Egby, Echo Golf Bravo Yokohama. Egby, located on the southern part of Sweden on the countryside. And about the WX today, sunshine, blue sky, and we have about 5 degrees centigrade plus, Gil. Gil, are using here your ISO, transceiver, homemade linear and homemade antenna. And more information on the QRZ.com, Gil. Gil, Mike, back to you, SM6CG, standing by.
USL, then many thanks for the information. You can see a movie of this contact on YouTube at my home call in the next day. Then, okay, the weather in Italy is sun in this moment, temperature about 18 degrees. Very nice day today. Thank you very much for the contact, and I hope to meet you again in frequency, my friend. Sierra Mike 6, Echo Golf Juliet from India Zulu 2, Kilo Romeo Zulu, QRP portable.
Okay, Gil, thank you very much. SM6CG, returning, fine. Thanks a lot for the information. Pleased to meet you on the frequency for the first time, I suppose, Gil. Okay, about the tube, something on the internet, I suppose, and it will be, I don't know when you shall putting up, but I shall checking on your QRZ.com. Gil, thank you for the call and for the QSO. Wishing you a nice morning and regards from Sweden to you and yours. Talking about the 18 degrees there on your side, well, we are waiting for some spring also. Probably a little bit delayed. We will get some snow yesterday, 15 centimeters snow, but it's already gone, I suppose, today it's gone.